During the FIFA World Cup 2026, the stadium that will host the most matches has a retractable roof that weighs as much as 20 Boeing 737 airplanes. Back in 2006, when this stadium was under construction, the engineering team had to build a 1,500-ton roof that could be opened and closed whenever needed, and that too on a structure with no walls and no pillars. At that time, it was the world's largest stadium, featuring the longest unsupported arches ever built. However, there was one major problem. The stadium's arches were curved at a 30-degree angle, and on such an incline, moving such a massive roof, let alone opening and closing it, seemed impossible. It was like trying to pull the weight of 20 Boeing airplanes uphill. At this stage, dozens of engineers were called in. Every possible idea was tested, but every experiment failed. In the end, the idea that finally worked had actually been invented 150 years earlier by a man who had absolutely nothing to do with engineering. The stadium, considered one of the biggest attractions for the FIFA World Cup 2026, is AT&T Stadium, located in Arlington, Texas. Spread across 3 million square feet, this magnificent stadium has a seating capacity of 80,000 spectators at one time. Its interior volume is 3 million cubic meters. That means the entire Great Pyramid of Giza could fit inside it, and there would still be enough room for thousands of people to sit. Speaking of height, if you placed the Statue of Liberty inside the stadium, it still wouldn't touch the roof. When you look at this stadium and examine its incredible features, it's hard to believe how it was ever built. 2 arches stretching 400 meters, built without a single supporting pillar, a 1,500-ton retractable roof, an interior centrally air-conditioned, and 2 giant sliding glass doors as tall as a 12-story building? All of these challenges emerged in 2006 when the National Football League, the NFL, needed a new stadium in Texas. The American football team, the Dallas Cowboys, wanted a stadium that would not be used for only 8 to 10 football games a year, but one that could generate revenue throughout the entire year. Now, Texas is known for severe winter storms during the colder months and scorching heat during the summer. Using the stadium year-round meant that it had to be an indoor, climate-controlled facility. Normally, when constructing a roof over any structure, pillars are installed to support it. But if pillars were placed inside a stadium, they would obstruct the spectator's view of the game. This became the very first major challenge for architect Brian Truby, who faced one of the toughest projects of his career. He had to design a stadium with absolutely no interior pillars. But designing a roof without pillars wasn't his only challenge. That roof also had to support not only the 1,500-ton retractable roof system, but also what was then the world's heaviest suspended LED screen. The screen alone weighed 600,000 kilograms. That brought the total load on the roof to approximately 2,100 tons. The solution to this enormous engineering challenge was hidden inside a historic structure that most people have forgotten today.